Happy Saturday to you. Well, post Christmas, but still got my Christmas hat on. Finishing up my stuff. Should be wearing a red shirt, but I'm not. So anyway, I thought I'd jump back online. It's been 3 days. Catch up with everyone. Catch up with the messages. Catch up with the groups who are interested. And no, I haven't disappeared off the face of the earth, but it was the holidays. So I'm looking forward to all the excitement and thrills that people have on this and the input that I'm getting, like a fire hose from everyone. It's great. I might slow down around New Year's Eve, maybe New Year's Day, but between now and then I'm going to be pretty busy on this. So anyway, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, happy Hanukkah, great holidays, whatever is being celebrated in your neck of the woods or your group. And look forward to hearing from you through now and through the new year. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.